The role of sleep and dreams. Sleep is one of the most essential aspects of human health, and its importance extends far beyond just resting. The average adult spends about 1/3 of their life asleep, which shows how critical it is for overall well-being. Sleep affects nearly every system in the body, from brain function and memory to immune health and physical performance. Sleep is divided into several stages, each with distinct functions. The primary stages are non-REM and REM. Sleep and REM, rapid eye movement, sleep. NREM sleep consists of 3 stages, with the first 2 being lighter sleep and the third stage known as deep sleep. Deep sleep is particularly restorative, allowing the body to repair tissues, strengthen the immune system, and consolidate memories. REM sleep, on the other hand, is where most dreaming occurs and plays a critical role in cognitive function. During REM sleep, the brain becomes highly active, with some areas showing even more activity than when awake. The body, however, is almost paralyzed, a mechanism called atonia that prevents us from acting out our dreams. The alternation between REM and NREM sleep cycles approximately every 90 minutes throughout the night, creating 4 to 6 cycles, depending on the total sleep duration. Sleep serves multiple physiological and psychological functions. One of the most important is memory consolidation, where experiences and learned information are processed and stored for long-term recall. Studies show that people who get adequate sleep perform better on tasks involving memory and problem-solving than those who lack sleep. This is because during sleep, the brain strengthens neural connections formed during the day, solidifying memories and enabling learning. Sleep also plays a crucial role in regulating emotions. When we are sleep-deprived, the amygdala, the brain's emotional center, becomes more reactive, which can lead to heightened feelings of anxiety, irritability, or stress. Sleep restores balance to the brain's emotional processing, helping to regulate moods and improve resilience. This is why a good night's sleep can make us feel calmer and more in control of our emotions. Physiologically, sleep is essential for cellular repair and growth. During deep sleep, the body releases growth hormones, which are vital for muscle repair, tissue growth, and bone density. The immune system also strengthens during sleep, as antibodies and cells responsible for fighting infections increase in number. This is why sleep is so important for recovering from illness or injury. Dreams, a fascinating phenomenon that occurs primarily during REM sleep, have been a subject of curiosity and research for centuries. While there is still much to learn about why we dream, several theories suggest possible functions. One popular theory is the memory consolidation theory, which proposes that dreams help process emotions and experiences. Dreams may enable the brain to work through complex thoughts or unresolved issues, aiding emotional balance. Another theory, the threat simulation theory, suggests that dreams allow us to rehearse responses to potential dangers, an evolutionary advantage. By simulating threats in a safe environment, the brain may help us prepare for real-life challenges. This could explain why many people have anxiety-related dreams or recurring themes of being chased, falling, or losing something important. Additionally, the activation synthesis theory posits that dreams are the brain's attempt to make sense of random neural activity during sleep. In this view, the brain interprets these signals as narratives, leading to the surreal and often illogical nature of dreams. Although these interpretations may not always make sense, they reveal how creative the brain can be while we sleep. Interestingly, dreams may also play a role in creativity. Many famous inventors, writers, and artists have drawn inspiration from dreams. For example, the chemist Auguste Kekule reportedly dreamed of a snake biting its own tail, which helped him discover the structure of benzene. Similarly, the author Mary Shelley conceived of Frankenstein in A Vivid Nightmare. Dreams provide access to ideas and thoughts we might not encounter in waking life. The process of dreaming also helps us process emotions and manage stress. REM sleep, where most dreams occur, is associated with reduced levels of norepinephrine, a stress-related neurotransmitter. This creates a unique environment in which we can revisit and reevaluate emotional experiences without the stress response we might feel when awake. This may help explain why we often feel a sense of clarity or relief after sleeping on a problem. Sleep deprivation, or the lack of sufficient sleep, disrupts these essential functions, leading to cognitive, emotional, and physical impairments. Sleep-deprived individuals have more difficulty focusing, are more prone to errors, and exhibit slower reaction times. Long-term sleep deprivation can even increase the risk of serious health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. In terms of mental health, chronic sleep deprivation is associated with a higher risk of anxiety and depression. Sleep-deprived brains are less able to regulate emotions, leading to heightened stress and mood swings. Studies show that people who regularly experience REM sleep disturbances are more likely to experience mental health issues, highlighting the importance of sleep for emotional resilience. In children and adolescents, sleep is essential for brain development. During sleep, the developing brain forms new neural connections that are crucial for learning and social interactions. Lack of sleep in young people has been linked to impaired academic performance, behavioral issues, and an increased risk of mental health disorders. As a result, ensuring adequate sleep is particularly important for this age group. Circadian rhythms, or the body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also play a significant role in sleep quality. This cycle is influenced by external factors like light and darkness. When exposed to light, especially blue light from screens, the brain reduces melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule and avoiding screens before bedtime can help regulate circadian rhythms, leading to better sleep quality. Sleep disorders such as insomnia, sleep apnea, and narcolepsy interfere with these natural processes, often requiring medical intervention. Insomnia, the inability to fall or stay asleep, can be triggered by stress, anxiety, or lifestyle factors. Sleep apnea, which involves interrupted breathing during sleep, reduces oxygen supply to the brain and leads to frequent awakenings. Narcolepsy causes sudden and uncontrollable sleep episodes during the day, often disrupting daily activities and quality of life. In conclusion, sleep and dreams are vital to our well-being, influencing everything from memory and emotional balance to physical health and creativity. Sleep allows our bodies to repair, our minds to process emotions, and our brains to form memories, ensuring we are prepared for the challenges of each new day. Dreams, though mysterious, provide a window into our subconscious, allowing us to explore our fears, hopes, and imagination. As research advances, our understanding of sleep and dreams continues to grow, revealing new insights into how this seemingly passive state is one of the most active and necessary parts of life. The more we prioritize good sleep, the better equipped we are to lead healthy, balanced, and fulfilling lives.